So here is the first component for our unboxing, our Maximus VIII Hero motherboard. Designed for gamers, and we also have an exclusive invite code to World of Warships. Lovely. So this is our silly little symbols on the front. You can get a focused view of that. So we have the Z170 chipset. Supports Intel Core, Video SLI, Crossfire from AMD, Ultra HD 4K, Windows 10 ready. All from Asus, in search of incredible. Now, so what do we get for our money? So, the fancy advertising gimmicks, Supreme FX for 2015, so a lot longer will be our date. Lighting control, Intel Ethernet, Extreme Engine DigiPlus, whatever on earth that is. So we're supporting the 1151 socket, 6th generation, supports HDMI 1.4b, supports DisplayPort port 1.2, Intel True.
Oh, wait,
and
there's more.
We have two USB 3.1 ports. You can see in there with all this shiny stuff there. Wow. Try and not put myself in the frame there. Look at that. So awesome. Maximus VIII Hero with Hero branding and Asus plastered all over it. We can have a bit of a closer look at our motherboard. Well, it's still in the box. We have a start and reset button and clear CMOS button. Oh, hey. What else? Heat spreader. Bunch of other fancy things for heat spreaders maybe. CPU slot. Memory slot. And PCI Express, and so that's 16 slot, this large one, can't see it. This is a PCI Expansion 8, and that's our footer down there. Yeah. Let's put that back, keep it covered, stop the dust getting all over it. So, really important stuff first. Fancy stickers. Just label all over your case and stuff. Safety information. Safety first. Motherboard layout, which has quick start guide. Yep. Something to stick on your door to say, I'm gaming, so bugger off. I've finished gaming, so you can come in your room. I don't think I'll be using that. Let's see, a warranty card. Oh yes, we'll need to send that off. A very thick user guide with thrown in something what could scratch the CD if put in the wrong way. Probably good for if you're a guitarist, if you need one of those little flicker things. But what I was quite surprised to see is we've got 2 cables, 4 cables, 6 cables. So really, you don't need to buy any cables. Well, that's one I paid for £1, so £2 for £6 worth of cables there, ish. Depends on the quality. A little cable for if we want to do SLI. Nice. Back panel plate with Republic of Gamers and other fancy etching things in there. Makes it look nice, give a presentation and quality. Stuff for plugging stuff in. Another installation tool. And a couple of screws. So that's it for our Hero unboxing. Stay tuned for more info on the build as it develops.